Welcome back to our channel Nature Lovers. Today, we are going to explore one of nature's enchanting spices, the cardamom plant. Often referred to as the queen of spice, cardamom is not only renowned for its unique flavor but also for its numerous uses and incredible health benefits. So let's get started. Scientifically known as Elateria cardamomum, cardamom is often referred to as the queen of spices due to its versatile roles as a medicinal herb and a flavor enhancer in various culinary delights. Cardamom belongs to the ginger family and flourishes in the tropical regions of India, Guatemala, and Sri Lanka. The plant boasts elegant, lance-shaped leaves and vibrant green pods that dangle from its branches like green jewels. These pods contain the prized seeds that hold the key to cardamom's unique aroma and health benefits. Cardamom taste. Cardamom spice has a sweet, warm and spicy flavor with notes of mint, lemon, smoke and nutty tastes. Due to its potent and aromatic profile, it's best to begin with a modest quantity of cardamom in your recipes and adjust it to your taste. You can use cardamom seeds whole, ground, or as a powder. However, it is advisable to purchase whole pods, as the seeds release their fragrance quite readily. Cardamom varieties. Two of the most used varieties are green cardamom and black cardamom. Green cardamom, Elateria cardamomum, the most prized variety with a more intense flavor, comes from India. This kind is used to make both savory and sweet foods. Black cardamom, Amomum compactum, is mainly found in Myanmar and Thailand. It has darker pods with a larger size and a stronger smoky flavor and is only used in savory recipes. Cardamom health benefits. Aid digestion and combat bloating. Cardamom is well known for its digestive benefits, as it possesses both carminative properties, which aid in reducing the formation of intestinal gas and the ability to combat bloating. Antispasmodic effects. The powerful oil derived from cardamom has the potential to relax muscle spasms and cramps and reduce gastric pain, colics, menstrual cramps and tremors. Expectorant, antibacterial, antiseptic. Cineol, the major active ingredient of cardamom oil, has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. It helps to loosen the mucus and expel it out of the system. This makes cardamom a good ally in case of cough and cold. Oral health. Cardamom has been widely used as a mouth freshener for centuries due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's effective in fighting bad breath and aids in healing mouth infections. Chewing one pod of cardamom for a few minutes will get rid of bad breath. Support kidney and bladder health. Cardamom is a natural diuretic, meaning can assist the body in reducing water retention and expelling toxins from the urinary tract, kidneys and bladder. Immune system support. Cardamom contains essential minerals and vitamins, in particular vitamin C, which plays a vital role in supporting the immune functions. 10 ways to use cardamom. 1. Ground cardamom. You can use ground cardamom in both sweet and savory dishes. It's a common ingredient in baking and adds a unique flavor to cakes, cookies, and bread. 2. Whole cardamom pods. Whole pods are often used in Indian cuisine to flavor stews, curries, and rice dishes. They release their flavor gradually during cooking and can be removed before serving. 3. Cardamom tea. Create a delightful cardamom-infused tea by gently simmering either ground or whole cardamom pods alongside your choice of herbal blends. To further boost cardamom's digestive and debloating effects, consider incorporating cumin and fennel seeds into your cardamom infusion. 4. Spice blends. Cardamom is a common ingredient in spice blends like garam masala and chai masala. These blends are used to season many popular dishes and beverages, like the Indian masala chai tea, which includes green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger and nutmeg. 5. Desserts. Cardamom adds a delightful flavor to desserts like rice pudding, ice cream, and custards. You can infuse cardamom pods into cream, milk, or syrups. 6. Smoothies. Ground cardamom can be a unique addition to fruit smoothies, especially those with tropical fruits like mango or pineapple. 7. Cocktails. Some cocktails, like the classic cardamom gin fizz, incorporate cardamom for a hint of spice and aroma. 8. Marinades. Create flavored marinades for meat, poultry, or seafood by adding cardamom, along with other spices and herbs. 9. Homemade cooking oils. Infuse olive oil with cardamom for a subtly flavored cooking oil that can be used in various recipes. 10. Chewing. In some cultures, people chew on whole cardamom pods to freshen their breath and enjoy its mild, refreshing taste. Cardamom Curiosities. After saffron and vanilla, cardamom is the third most expensive spice in the world. The Arab tradition uses crushed cardamom pods combined with grounded roasted coffee before brewing to create a rich aroma and spiced sweet flavors. The resulting drink is the popular owawa, which means coffee in Arabic. According to Chinese tradition, the consumption of cardamom tea is the secret to a long life. Cardamom side effects. Cardamom is often considered safe for most people, however, it should not be used in high doses. As with any herb or spice, too much of good thing can create an imbalance in the body. Remember, if you are pregnant, taking medication or suffer from an underlying health condition, always consult your healthcare provider before adding cardamom to your diet. Whether it's adding depth to your culinary creations or nurturing your health, cardamom is a versatile superstar in the world of spices. Thank you for joining me today through the enchanting world of cardamom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe for more exciting content about spices, herbs and natural remedies. Until next time, stay spicy and stay healthy.